everyone. Hello. Hello. Wow, so cool. Look at the mountains at the back. It's not like a dream. Fairy tale. I think I found it. I think it's inside here. Let's have a look. Nanfei. Nanfei. 一点点. It's like our prison. It's like a mini prison.
Who's that?
And these are friends. So early in the morning. He's sticking his tongue out. I don't want to. I don't trust this cow. Oh, is that my Koda cow? Oh, what a nice impression. He wants to play, look. Last night wasn't actually too bad. We were camping here, not too many people bothered us. It was quite nice. I would probably say one of the best nights for camping, because we looked for a few places for about 4 hours, and finally we found this beautiful place. Everything's already packed up now, but anyway, one of the best places of, I would say, our trip. Especially because of our friends over there. Of course, I always make it memorable when you have this. Let's get ready to head up. Go, 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 green.
Look at here, look at here.
Go, 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 go.
It's like motocross.
Now he's giving me all of the milk from the cow.
Pushing hard, it looks like.
Fix it.
他要，我们每个人不一样。
Cuenta可以坐那边坐这。
So this is my month.
这个一共2块。是 ，2。
So expensive. 很贵，很贵。
但每个人他习惯不一样，他吃的不一样，不可能一起点。
Okay, my 2. Here's my 3. 1. Here's our breakfast. So we have mantou, which is like bread, a bun, 2 eggs, more, and milk. Adriano is coming with his breakfast now. All of this, or well, at least mine. The eggs were 2, the buns were 2, so 5. And inside is peanut butter, almost like peanut butter, and the other ones are just like plain ones.
So cheap.
You ready to eat?
Yes.
Okay, let's eat. To show you, this is what a villager's house looks like that we are in now. So we ordered the food from them, and then this is what the house looks like in the inside. All of the guys having breakfast. Such an interesting house. There's a TV. There's the Italian making coffee. Random Italian guy.
The Italian guy here.
And then their kitchen. And then when you go outside, you see all this. The kitchen looks so nice. And outside you see the people fishing here. What a view to have from the outside. And the herbs, look at the herb garden. Beautiful. I'm gonna give them 10 extra just to say thank you to them.
不用啊，不用，我不知道，说不用啊，
我买中间煎啊，这个东西。
不用啊。
没事，谢谢 ，Thank you。
This is quite common here in China. A lot of people, they don't want to accept money or gifts because otherwise they feel like they didn't work hard enough for their money. That is just part of the culture. Just insist and they will take it. We made a quick pit stop to help Adriano to fix his bicycle. We found this little shop with these two nice men, not wanting to help, but in the end, the master himself, Adriano, managed to fix his own bicycle. Sorry, Rain. Yesterday when I was riding my bike and I took off your tent.
就是这个脚破了，你这个脚你可能
So
后面
now
垫一
this
块
nice
布
man
了
is going to help us
这样子
to fix
缝
it.
一圈。
Let me see what is broken.
Let's see if he can help us to fix it.
啊，好不好？
No, Marco, this one 10 yen is okay because it's.
I will give him 22.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter how much.
是家在哪里？
我们的是意大利、南非、意大利、中国的。
啊，意大利。
你呢？
我本地的。
本地的，
哎
哦，
你
这边
北狼啊
本地的。
我北狼。
对。
Wow, that's so cool. Let me see. What does it look like? Wow. It's even better than before.
Italy, make one thing.
3块3块。
3块。
I'll give him 10. Huh?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so 10.
3块是这个价格，7块是感谢你的钱，就是不算这个维修费的，啊。
谢谢。
Thank you, 哎。新年好，新年
3块是修的钱，7块是感谢的钱。
Stop to have some cake. Jindian cake.
Buongiorno.
Do you want to eat some bread?
Me?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
You want? Hello.
Hello. What's your name? What's your name?
They even have hamburgers. Jenny.
下次你们会再来吗？下次你们会再来吗？下次还会再来。
Ask you.
Huh? Finally, after 2 hours, we are leaving. 2 hours. Thank you, Adriano. Ciao. Michele says that there is a hot spring close to this area. So that is where we're going now. Be perfect if we can go here. Look at the mountains at the back. Oh, this looks like a dream. Fairy tale. I already think I want to stay here. You can see this. And the cow is leading us to the hot spring. Wow, so beautiful. Maybe inside there. I think I found it. I think it's inside here. Let's have a look. No, not this. Just a beautiful little piggy. Let's keep looking. It must be here in this area. No? 南非，
南非了，
南非
南非你会说普通话？
一点点。
来喝茶吗？
不喝茶
啊，不要不要，谢谢。
不喝茶了。
嗯，
你
在前面
你那个老怎么的跑到这个对不对？
他是意大利人，他是意大利
你是意
人，
大利的，
他是
我爸我妈我是
是中国人的。
我
那你呢？
不会
你爸妈是哪里的？
我爸爸也是中国的。
你呢？
哇，
老大老大，
哎，老大你好，你好，你好，你好，你好，新年好。
你好。
你好。
那泡温泉从这里出去那个拐路
有没有免费的？
啊，那边是。
那，你听我说，那是15块就够了。
15块。
我们是外边。
啊，是
来，我给你出去，给你出去。
哦。
那你
那等一下，我们想找个免费的，稍
晚上可以住。哦。这里拐过去那个到山丘哈，出去那泡温泉呐。
So now they insisted we stay here to drink tea.
Yeah.
They didn't want to say no at all.
I don't understand anything.
Wow. The house is so.
Yeah.
Wow, the house is so beautiful. Okay.
Come on.
It's
Here's the house. Here's a snack, some mandarin and candy. I'm not sure what this is. It's like orange candy.
Probably, yeah.
Yeah.
Prendono la frutta, la mettono sciroppata.
I am not Italian.
They take the fruit. This is a fruit,
This is really good.
and they boiling hot water with syrup to make it all sweet like that. This is very good.
This is good, but a lot of sugar.
Oh yeah.
I thought it's tea. So now I told them like because they want us to sleep inside of their house, but we said no, we don't want that. We want to sleep outside, which is better for us because we love sleeping outside. No, we don't want you to sleep outside. You want to sleep outside? You want to sleep outside?
No.
You know why he doesn't want us to sleep outside? Because otherwise the dogs will bite us.
You want to go here? Let's set the tent.
Okay, let's see.
Check it out.
Wow.
We can set tent here.
Okay, let's go. Wow. This is the garden. Look at this.
Wow.
Yeah, beautiful. Check it out.
Look at all of this. Wow.
什么？
好吃，这个好吃都可以，没关系。
骗电话送了，要菜。
This is the life that I want. Growing my own vegetables.
Yeah.
Wow, look at this, huh?
Giardino, garden. 好吃哦。
到春节，
我知道。
春节就开花就高兴。我这个酒嘞，
冇嘢。
这个酒。好，这个。
Tiệm ba này còn đi tiền nó ngon đi rồi thầy kỹ phun này.
这个别人给我的，这么贵，
这个
5星的，
5星级的
Clean the car.
5星级的盐沙。
哦，盐茶。
Let's have a look around their little yard. Here's where all of the ducks are. Some more ducks here. And look over here. Holy crap. Look at all of these ducks. Thousands. So many. I wish I would come this side. Let me go this side. Maybe I can go up here. Look. Look at that. Look at the movement. Wow. They're moving, wow. It is time to eat. They're calling me back now. we're not gonna have duck for dinner. I will show you what we will have. Let's check it out.
Very good.
Perfect. Tofu for vegetables.
We have a little ceremony from Adriano.
You,
Yeah.
me.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, we can sleep 3. No, you can sit there. Yeah.
You are the king.
I'm the king.
King gets a double bed. It's like our prison. It's like a mini prison. Yeah, because look at the bars. At least we have electricity in prison, so that's not.